This program is about managing people in an organization or personnel management. Personnel management is concerned with the creation of harmonious working relationship between management and employees and among employees themselves, and bringing about their utmost individual development. It effectively describes the process of planning and directing, development and utilization of human resources in employment. In fact, personnel management undertakes all those activities which are concerned with human elements or relations as well as with material elements in an organization. Whatever functions are listed therein, the main objective of these functions is to apply expertise scientifically and create attitudes that motivate a group to achieve its objectives economically, effectively, and speedily. Broadly speaking, experts have classified functions as general and specific functions, and yet others as personal administration functions and industrial relations functions. Functions have also been classified on the basis of the capacities or on the basis of authority. Under general type of functions, the personnel management is required to conduct personnel research, to assist in the programs of personnel administration, to develop appraisal plans, to launch education and training programs, to develop a competent workforce, and to establish and administer various personnel services delegated to the personnel department. Under specific functions, the personnel management may involve itself in areas of employment, safety, wage and salary administration, benefit schemes, community relations, and advise and counsel employees. Classification by personnel administration and industrial relations functions may be done as follows. Personnel administration functions relate to the function of managing people from the lower to upper level of the organization. It embraces policy determination as well as implementation of policies by personnel at lower levels. Accordingly, personnel administration refers to creating, developing and utilizing a work group and involves all types of interpersonal relationships between superiors and subordinates. The industrial relations functions, on the other hand, are not directly related to the function of managing people, but refer to interactions between the management and the representatives of the unions. Such functions involve all activities of employer-employee relationship, such as organization of the union members, negotiation of contracts, collective bargaining, grievance handling, disciplinary action, arbitration, etc. The purpose of all these being to prevent conflict between the two participants. The two functions are interrelated and interdependent, and hence the most common term used is personnel management, administration, and industrial relations. Classification based on capacities or roles. Within the personnel department, the personnel manager plays a line manager's role. With other departments, the personnel manager coordinates activities to tackle common problems like absenteeism, accidents, grievances, and labor turnover. Across the organization, the personnel manager plays an advisory, consulting, counseling role in helping resolve manpower-oriented problems of all departments. Maximum authority in areas like payroll calculation, orientation procedure development, deciding transfer rules, the personnel manager has maximum authority. Combined use of authority and persuasion. establishment of disciplinary procedure, interdepartmental data gathering, determining the number of participants in a training program. Area of maximum persuasion, salary revisions, employment of individuals in other departments, initiating disciplinary action.